Filament Sensor Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Use your hand or a prying tool to remove the toolhead rear housing as shown. Remove the 4 screws securing the toolhead cable to the toolhead. Disconnect the toolhead cable. Take note of the following cables which we will disconnect. Carefully disconnect the 4 highlighted cables. Remove the 3 screws securing the TH board. Pull the TH board away, disconnect the load haul board and extruder motor ribbon cables by first unlocking their latches. Turn over the TH board and disconnect the cable on the rear of the board. Remove the 2 screws securing the cutting module adapter board. Remove the board from the toolhead. Use a scraper or pry tool to separate the collar securing the filament hub. Remove the filament hub and take out its spring. Remove the 2 screws securing the filament hub base housing and remove the housing. Remove the filament sensor board cable by first unlocking its tab. Remove the 2 screws securing the filament sensor board. Make sure that the square magnet in the filament hub base rebounds properly when the filament is retracted. Align the new filament sensor board and secure it with its 2 mounting screws. Install the connecting cable as shown. Pass the connecting cable through the toolhead. Align the base housing into position and secure it with its 2 mounting screws. Install the spring onto the filament hub assembly. Place the filament hub assembly into the base housing, making sure the orientation of the magnets and locking ring are as shown here. Press down evenly and firmly until the assembly is fully snapped into place. Align the cutting module adapter board into the toolhead and secure it with its 2 screws. Align the TH board with its backing material as shown. Gently reconnect the cable at the rear of the TH board. Turn the TH board over, then connect and lock the load haul board ribbon cable and the extruder motor ribbon cable. Align the TH board into the toolhead and secure it with 3 screws. Reconnect the remaining cables into the TH board. Carefully use tweezers as necessary. Reconnect the toolhead cable to the toolhead and secure it with 4 screws. Replace the tool head rear housing by aligning the top and rotating it down until it locks into place. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.